I was naked for a second. Oh my.
What? What were you saying?
Sorry about
Totally not recording this.
Alright, family. It's Friday. You know what that means? It's time for...
it.
So you rest down. Drum roll. Family game night.
Oh, jeez, Mom. Can we please just skip family game night this week? I've been stuck in school all day, and I really, really want to play some Sonic Adventure 2 with my friends.
You have no friends.
Damn.
What?
Anyways. No! I've been fishy practicing fighting all day, and I really just wanna relax.
Well, the happy hedgehogs and the fast foxes are playing against each other tonight.
Really?
What? It's the playoffs. You know how much we love the happy hedgehogs. I think we should postpone until next week, maybe?
No. I have been looking forward to my unlimited domination Monopoly all week. This is a tradition we've been doing for years. If you ruin our streak, you can kiss our entire family goodbye.
Ooh. Damn. All right. I guess Monopoly it is. God fucking damn it.
Well, guess I'll bring you out.
Goo goo gaga! Jesus, that's a deep voice.
Mr. Bookshelf over there is.
Goo goo gaga.
Gaga goo goo!
Ooh. Hi, family. Which version? We got Harry Potter, Monopoly version 1, the Cheaters Monopoly, the Megas Monopoly, the Magalus Monopoly.
Oh dear. Let's just stick with original Monopoly. The game is already uncomfortably complicated and realistic as it is.
Finally! I saved up enough money. I would like to buy a hotel.
Brother,
Hey! Where did they go? They were just like 5 of Fable's hotels a seconds ago?
Ho 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 ho! Goo goo gaga!
My turn already? Damn. Well, Eureka. Here we go. Seven. Oh, yes.
Oh. That's right, buddy. Welcome to Hawaii Avenue.
Yeah, we'll see about this, Buster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wait, No way.
I love watching my competitors fall. Another dub for the epic pro gamer.
Sip it, boy.
Yes, Daddy.
Take it.
Fucking squeeze me.
That's all I got.
One monies, two monies. Yikes! Looking a little light there, Daddy.
Cut me some slack, would you?
I don't know, Daddy. Your track record isn't very clean. You've been in and out of jail 3 times for tax evasions, just like real life.
Jerk. I'll remember that when it's your birthday.
What the? Wait a second. These houses are made from Legos. You cheer.
The Pokemon themselves.
Oh no.
Hey, that's not nice. I'm sure it was an accident.
Oh yeah, you instantly take a side. Cause he put you that halt on it. And at Taquito Street.
Watch your mouth, far smart Alec.
Who else is going to keep Mum in the loop? Dad?
Oh god, why you little... God damn it.
Dad, I'm sorry. To the fucking door.
Too late now, boy. You better run, son. Yeah.
Guys, stop. It's just a game.
Oh, not again. I knew I should have just left to relax.
Family! Silence! I am quite literally trying to play Sonic Adventure 2, my friend, my beloved sibling. Not to mention, I have plans to watch Happy Hedgehogs and Fast Foxes afterwards tonight, 9:15, while I relax all alone. Now, but no. Apparently this is not quite how things work in this household. You guys have to act like babies. And I would know what a baby would act like. And I have Sorry, I just read this word in a library. Conniption over monopoly. My voice and my opinion are never heard in times like this and in this family. It is time for some change around here. Now that I have everybody's attention,
What the fuck is going on?
That's a good question.
Are you good, son? Come in, son.
Oh my gosh, I love that teacher.
Come in, son.
I excuse myself. SteamVR is giving me an epileptic session right now, but we can continue. I declare that Friday game nights are officially banned. It is time for the same old shenanigan every single week. Nobody in this family makes any well-thought, assertive decisions around here, and it's time I do. Friday game nights destroy our family by causing unnecessary quarrels, disrupting our free time, and irking the neighbors every single Friday. Normal families don't operate in such uncoordinated, unorthodox, ignorant, displeasing way. So let's be normal family. Right? I don't want to grow up with trauma. Who's with me?
You guys hear something? Oh, so I think it's time for a bit of a shotgun and a way to
I think the baby needs a new diaper. Not me. I gotta grab the milk. Yeah, the milk.
grab a shotgun.
I have some unfinished homework to do. Shit.
I gotta check on my pet. Yeah. Gotta make sure Mr. Bubbles isn't drowning. I gotta also walk a face too. Bye.
Hello, Mother.
Thanks, Mom. That's so funny. I've
Why
never
did I get married?
seen a teacher act like that before.
Anyway, let's
Just
get
peeking
you
through the door like, nope.
dealt with.
Whatever. You can choose your friends, but I can't choose your family.